Hi children, I hope you all are staying at home. So this is our computer class. I am here to say about our computer first lesson, that is an introduction and our first unit. So how many of you know what is computer? Have you seen a computer? So what is the computer called? Computer is a electronic machine. So not only that one, remaining some machines are there. I'll say some machines. You just write the names in your notes. These are some machines I'm writing on a board. So here are some machines, ma. You just look after. Telephone. In olden days, we used to use telephones, landline phones, by calling to some one person to another person. And calculator. Second one is calculator. To make additions, subtractions easily without doing any work. And this third one, microwave oven, to heat up the food. And this one, music system, it is also a machine. And this fifth one is mobile. Our phone also is a machine. So this one, washing machine. Washing machine is useful for washing clothes. And this one, television. Television also a machine. Okay, now we go to the, these all come under computer machine. So these all parts together. So this is an electronic machine. It is called a computer. It works on electricity. Some computers work on battery also. Not only electricity, some computers work on battery also. Now, once we'll go to part wise. What is this? This first one is a monitor. First one is a monitor. Parts of a computer. First one is monitor. And this second one, is a CPU. And this third one is a keyboard. And this fourth one, it is a mouse. Okay children, say after me, what are the parts of the computer? Monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse. So first we will go learn about monitor. A monitor looks like a television screen. It shows letters, numbers and pictures. The result of our work done on the computer can be seen on the monitor. The monitor is an output device. So what computer it looks like a television. In computer we can see the letters, numbers and pictures. So it is an output device. Monitor is an output device. So next, it's a CPU. What is the meaning of CPU? What is the meaning of CPU? Central Processing Unit. CPU means what, ma? Central Processing Unit. So CPU is the main part of the computer. It is called the brain of the computer. This part of computer looks like a box. See here, this is the CPU. It is the brain of the computer. You will be having your brain, right? With the help of the brain only you can see, you can do anything. So with the help of the computer, CPU only, computer will runs. CPU controls all the work of a computer. CPU is a processor or processing device. CPU has a hard disk to store the data. You will store your data in your brain, right? What you are doing in a whole day. So in like that only, whatever you will be doing in the system, doing in the computer, it will be stored in the CPU, in data. So now next, keyboard. Third one is a keyboard. This is a part of computer, looks like a typewriter. Keyboard is used to type alphabets, numbers and other signs which are marked on every key. If you press any key, its impression appears on the monitor. Keyboard is an input device. So you have been seeing this keyboard. In that, each letter, numbers and different signs you will be observing. So while typing on each one button, the impression appears on the monitor. How it will be? It will be connected to the monitor. So what keyboard is an input device. So monitor is an output device, keyboard is an input device. Okay children. Now we are going to fourth part. What is that? Fourth part is a mouse. So here they have two types of mouse. This one is 2-button mouse and this one is 3-button mouse. So a mouse has 2 or 3 buttons on it. It helps to select a particular item. It is used to move the pointer on the screen. It is also used to draw pictures. It is an input device. So what the useful of this mouse? It will be helpful for select the particular item. So this will be the pointer, ma'am. This will be the pointer. With the help of mouse only we can move this pointer on the monitor screen. So with this mouse on, so we can draw pictures in the monitor. So it is also an input device. So these are the parts of a computer. So now going to another parts. They are not parts of a computer. There are some. So next we will go disk, hard disk. There are 3 types of disk: hard disk, floppy disk, compact disk. Disk are 3 types. What are they? Hard disk, floppy disk, compact disk. So how hard disk will be, ma? It is in a rectangular shape. It will be in a rectangular shape. So hard disk is fitted permanently inside the CPU. You cannot see it from outside. It is used to store data. It has a very large storage capacity. So for example, your brain, you can't see your brain, right? But your full, whatever you will be doing, whatever you will be seeing, whatever you will be listening, it will be stored in your brain. You can't see your brain. So in this hard disk also, it will be store all data, whatever you are doing in the monitor, in the system, all will be stored in a data. So it will be permanently fitted in CPU. So next, floppy. This will be the floppy floppy disk. Floppy disk is a small disk. It can be used in floppy disk drive fitted in the CPU. You can store the data in it. It is used for small data. Hard disk means you can store large storage of data. So in floppy disk you can store small data, small data. So it will be in small size. So next, compact disk. Compact disk means it is used in compact disk drive, also fitted in the CPU. It is in a circular in shape. It has a shiny surface. It can store a large amount of data and compared to floppy disk. Compact disk means nothing but CD. It's a CD. You all know now, CD. Compact disk means it's nothing but CD. So we can store large amount of data compared to floppy disk. Okay. And coming to next, these are the printers. These are the printers. There are 3 types. Printers also are in 3 types. What are they? What are the printers? See here. Inkjet printer, laser printer, dot matrix printer. What are they, ma? Dot matrix printer, laser printer, inkjet printer. So, a printer is used to print whatever you see on the monitor screen. You can print text, designs and pictures using a printer. You can print in black or different colors. You can print greeting cards, wedding cards, invitation cards and many other things. With the help of printer, what we can do, ma? We can print whatever we are creating in a monitor. For example, you are creating any drawing on a monitor, you can print it by help of a printer. So we can print with different text, designs and pictures, and we can in colors also, in black and white and in different colors also we can print. And not only that, we can print greeting cards, wedding cards and invitation cards also. I hope you understand. This I will be sending the picture. You just do the matching. What is this first one? What is this first one? It is a keyboard. Where is the keyboard? Here. Match it here. So this I will be sending this picture. You do in your textbook. Okay.